So you just uploaded your video, you have a title for your video, but you can't come up with any tags and you're tired of writing them all down so you can just remember. Never fear, guys. It's called rapid tags. I'm going to show you guys how to use it, and you can let AI worry about it. Take the stress off. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome to rapidtags.oi. No, .io. I had to get you that. That was actually a Ohio State reference right there. So anyways, I'm about to show you guys how easy it is to create tags for your videos that you just uploaded to your channel, okay? And this is extremely easy. So this is only going to be a few minutes long, and I'm going to show you guys. All right, so let's go. I'm going to put the link in the description down below, so you guys be sure to click on that. That way, it can take you right to this page. All right, here we go. So I'm going to type in, let's just say 2024 CF Moto 950 Sport. You don't even have to capitalize 4. All right, that's simple. You type it into that search bar right there. You can either press enter or hit the little magnifying glass right there, whatever you want to do. All right, so we're going to press enter. There we go. So it just gave us all of our tags for that. Now, some of this may be excessive. You may have to go through some of these and fine tune a little bit. Some of them you may have to actually eliminate and take out, okay? Everything actually, for the most part, looks pretty good. There is the review. If you're not doing a review for this particular theme or whatever you titled your video, then you could just take that out. So I would just hit the X right there, remove it, gone, okay? Same way with the upgrades. If you're not showing any upgrades in your video, take this out, all right? And then you can just add in additional ones if you want to. Now, just remember, you only get 500 characters. So I'm at 405 right now, so you got to watch that because YouTube only allows you up to 500 characters at a time. All right. All you would do at this point, hit the copy tags right there, and you just saved it basically. So when you go to your video, and I'm going to show you guys that next. All right. So after you've uploaded your video and you're just stuck on your tags and what you want to put with that video, as you can see, you got your playlist and everything here. So once you've chosen that, you'll see this show more button. So you want to make sure in YouTube Studios that you go down here and go to show more. Click on that. You'll scroll down where you see add tags. Okay. So I'm going to go highlight into the box, and I'm going to hold Control and V as in Victor. And there is all the tags that I just literally saved from Rapid Tags. Okay. They just basically copied and transferred over here. So once everything looks good and you're satisfied with all this, you go up to the save button right here. Give it a moment. 1 moment later. 1 moment. 1 moment, please. One more moment. Oh my gosh, YouTube. There we go. It'll tell you down here at the bottom, changes saved. All right. That's it. Thank you for tuning in on Rapid Tags video, guys. I'm hoping that this helps you and it saves you time because you don't have to sit here and think of all the tags that you want to put your videos on, okay? You just come up with rapid tags and you let it just do the work for you, okay? Put in your title, whatever you want to name your video, it will find what you're looking for and it will put those tags in. You just got to do a little bit of work, So let AI work for you, all right? You guys take care. See you on the next one. Stay tough.